I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to delete the voice recordings associated with a specific Amazon Alexa device. Step 1. Open a web browser, navigate to Amazon.com, and then sign in to your Amazon account if you're not signed in already. Step 2. Click Accounts and Lists to open a menu, and then click Devices in this menu. The Devices screen opens. Step 3. Scroll down to the Amazon Devices section and then click Echo. A list of your Amazon devices is displayed. Step 4. Click the specific Amazon device you want to delete the recordings for. A device summary screen for that device is shown. Step 5. Navigate to the Settings section for that device and then click Delete Voice Recordings. A window opens asking if you want to delete the voice recordings associated with this specific Amazon Alexa device. Step 6. Click Delete. You'll see a note that your request to delete the voice recordings associated with your Amazon Alexa device was received. It may take up to 48 hours for your Alexa voice recordings to be deleted. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.